अरे नाव मुसहरवा है कवन नौ सहरवा न कैसे बीतई जिंदगी हम।
On 6 February 2011, Manish Kumar, a second-year computer technology student, jumped from the 5th floor of his hostel at IIT Roorkee. Before he could see his son's body, his father claims the authorities made him sign a letter saying he did not want an inquiry into Manish's death. On 3rd March 2010, Bal Mukund Bharti, a final year MBBS student of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences in New Delhi, committed suicide. The son of a class 3 government employee from Bundelkhand in Madhya Pradesh, he was the first Dalit boy from the district to be selected to AIIMS.
ये बोलता था कि अगर हम यहाँ से पढ़ लिख जाएंगे तो हम इंडिया छोड़ देंगे, हम विदेश में रहेंगे। हमको यहाँ नहीं रहना, इंडिया में। क्योंकि एक बालक हम खो चुके हैं, हम दूसरा बालक नहीं खोना चाहते। हम छोटी पढ़ाई से ही हम संतुष्ट हो जाएंगे।
Exactly 2 years later to the day, Anil Meena, a tribal from Rajasthan's Bara district, hung himself from the ceiling fan in his room at AIIMS. His death sparked widespread protests across the capital's campuses. But when the time came to take Anil's body to his village for the last rites, only a handful of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe students made the journey. Did anyone other than reserved category students go?
No. I'm trying pretty hard to remember, but to the best of my knowledge, no.
A few weeks later, we travelled to Anil Meena's village of Piplia Chowki, remote and forsaken like the school where he studied as a young boy. The sound of mourning leads us to his house. Anil's mother is inconsolable, his father and uncle confused.
खुद को उसको आखिरी बार छोड़ के आए स्टेशन पे, तो उसने बोला कि फूफा जी मैं बहुत कुछ कर लूँगा, छोटी ज़िंदगी में आपको कुछ करके दिखाऊंगा। ये होती ऐसा कुछ हमें मिला ही नहीं, एक शब्द भी नहीं मिला कि अनिल ऐसा कर सकता है, नहीं तो हम पढ़ाई छुड़वा देते।
Anil's father, a small farmer and BPL card holder, says his son was a bright student. He got 75% in his higher secondary exams and came second in the scheduled tribe category in the All India pre-medical test. Anil joined Maulana Azad Medical College before getting into AIIMS through the reserved quota in 2010.
वो मतलब पढ़ाई से घबरायो ना कभी भी।
So what went so horribly wrong that he took his own life?
तू दबाव की वजह से डिप्रेशन में आ गयो।
वहाँ के स्टाफ ने समझा ही नहीं उसकी भावना को।
जो भी आशाएं हैं दिल्ली एम्स है, अगर
The official AIIMS response to Anil's death was identical to their response 2 years earlier to Bal Mukund's suicide. They say he was depressed and had developed psychiatric problems because he was unable to cope with the demands of the rigorous academics as well as the English language. In short, they were not responsible for his death. It's true that Anil failed in his first year, but many believe the faculty should have seen it coming and tried to help him instead of dismissing him as a weak student, which perhaps made him feel even more worthless.
That was a lapse on the administration's part, and our whole protest was centered around that. And coming from such a background, it may not be easy for him to cope up with this kind of stress.
In 2006, the S.K. Thorat committee set up by the government to investigate complaints of caste discrimination in AIIMS made several recommendations to make the campus more inclusive. The suggestions included starting courses to improve English language skills, sensitizing faculty members to the special needs of reserved category students, conducting practicals and vivas in a more transparent manner, and setting up of a special equal opportunity office to deal with issues and grievances of ST, SC and OBC students. 6 years and 2 suicides later, students claim little has changed on the ground.
Those suggestions, would have been like implemented just on paper, as sort of a thing, because English classes were going on, but they were not up to the mark. They were being taken by a teacher hired at 500 rupees per class, and she was teaching general English, verb and preposition, so they were stopped. Regarding the cell for SC, ST and OBC students, nothing like that was set up.
Back in the village, Anil's family worries about the future of his 3 younger brothers and everyone else who had invested their hard-earned money and hope of a better life in him. Anil was the first Adivasi boy from the district to make it to AIIMS.
कमी निकलते हैं मैडम, क्योंकि वातावरण ही नहीं मिलता है हमको, माँ बाप सक्षम नहीं होते पैसा खर्च करने में.
But Anil's parents ensured he received a good education and even sent him to this coaching class in Kota to prepare for the medical entrance exam.
Actually, Anil और इस तरह के बच्चे इस तरह के इंस्टीट्यूशन में अपनी कई बार उससे चले जाते हैं because of their category advantage. आज आप कट ऑफ देखिए, जो कट ऑफ जनरल कैटेगरी में 70 गई, वो इनके कैटेगरी में 40 गई. वो प्रेशर वो हैंडल नहीं कर पाया.
Anil's family, however, believes it was much more than that.
शायद अगर हो सकता है तो ये हमारा दलित परिवार है. अब दलित परिवार है, छोटी कैटेगरी के लोग हैं, तो उसका अगर उसे कुछ फील हुआ हो या कुछ ऐसा शंकाएं हैं. अब तब ये
तो नहीं है,
आदिवासी हैं लेकिन दलित में ही गिनते हैं. हमको कोई ऐसा मिलता नहीं, शोषण होता है
मिली और इस वजह से हमने हमारे
हम तो ये सोचते हैं कि हमें कहीं भी मतलब गवर्नमेंट से ये नहीं मिलता है, सरकारी तंत्र से मतलब कोई ऐसा शब्द नहीं मिलता है तो अपने आप को कुछ कर सके. हमको दलित मानते.
So did Anil kill himself because he could not handle the academic stress and the idea of letting his family down? Or did an invisible but strongly felt caste bias break his spirit? Or does the truth lie somewhere in between? The verdict is split, not surprisingly, on caste lines.
No, I don't see it as caste discrimination.
But no general category student has taken such an extreme step, argues Ajay Soyal, who is just months away from getting his MBBS degree. He joined AIIMS in 2006 through the SC quota and found there was no escaping his caste in the classroom and on the campus.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.